The British justice system hangs in the balance as the government seeks to pass a law that critics say will jeopardise people's right to an open trial. The government hopes to introduce a new justice and security bill that will allow secret evidence to be hidden from the public. It will also allow those accused of terrorism offences to be detained for years without trial. The government says the bill is important for national security, but experts believe that this is just another excuse to give the state more powers above the law. Human rights lawyers are among the most vocal critics of the bill. Professor Philippe Sands, a prominent international lawyer, wrote in the British Guardian newspaper that the bill is wrong in principle and will not deliver justice. It will be used to shield governmental wrongdoing from public and judicial scrutiny under conditions that are fair and just. The bill threatens greater corrosion of the rights of the individual in the UK in the name of national security.
But if people are tried in secret, we don't know how the evidence was obtained against them, we don't know what the evidence was, we don't know anything about the court. I mean, this smacks more of a dictatorship than a democracy. And it's something, as I say, which goes to the very, very heart of what sort of parliamentary democracy we're supposed to have and what people fought for. So it's a very dangerous move. And as I say, this is the sort of thing, actually, if it was been introduced in other countries around the world, the British government would probably be making complaints about and saying there's human rights abuses.
Adrian Berry is a lawyer and human rights advocate. He believes there should be a process in place to determine whether sensitive evidence should be disclosed if it is deemed to be in the public interest.
There should certainly be a clear moment where public interest immunity proceedings take place first, where the judge tests the evidence to see whether some of it can be disclosed to the claimant's lawyers, perhaps through anonymising the evidence or perhaps through redacting or blacking out passages which everyone agrees would risk national security. In that way, at least some of the material is disclosed to the claimant's lawyers.
The House of Lords are currently working on amending the Justice and Security Bill. Ironically, many people's last hope is being placed in the Lords to implement clauses to improve the bill's respect for basic human rights. Hassan Al-Khatib, Press TV, London.